the granting of the civil service exam preference rating. Ano po ang ibig din natin to? Ibig sabihin nito, ang mga po brothers natin sa uniform, the military, and the uniformed personnel service are also granted the same bonus or preference rating to the employees of the military and the uniformed personnel. Ano yung requirements? Pariho din po. 10 years in service, 2 very satisfactory rating, performance rating from the 2 previous rating period. At ano yung pangatlo dyan? The must be first level. Pero sa case nila, if they want to take the CS sub-prof, pwede naman po, and the CS prof, pwede naman po. In either case, the preference rating, the 10 bonus points would apply. Yun nga, you must have to take the examination. Yung score nila, if ever hindi man makapasok sa passing rate of 80, it should be between 70 to 79.99 para mag-grant sila ng preference rating. And of course, they must have also to do it within the allowed time.